Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my first video of becoming that lash tech, and I'm going to break down how I created this beautiful set for my clients. So this is going to be a long video, but it's because I wanted to go into so much depth and show you guys exactly how to get this set. Starting with the basics, we're just going to wash the client's lashes. Make sure you're washing every single client's lashes with lash shampoo. I'll link below my brand that I use, and then we're going to tape down the bottom lashes. Guys, let me know if you need a tutorial of how to tape down lashes because I change it slightly depending on the client's eyes, etc. Now it's time to map. I'm going through this quite quickly, but I will bring out a video and we're going into a bit more depth into how I map each client and where the numbers come from and why I put the numbers where I put them. But for this video, I was creating a cat eye. However, you can see that I dropped down 2 numbers from 12 to 10, and that's just because outer corner lashes and most people's outer corner lashes actually can't handle very long lengths. So technically this is a scroll set, not a cat eye shape set. However, I'm not trying to confuse my clients, and this is a luxury service. I tell them it's a cat eye that's tailored for educational purposes, and for you guys, it technically is a scroll shape. Another thing you guys are going to see is that I haven't used any primers. I don't believe in pre-bonder. Honestly guys, I do not believe in anything. I actually believe in shampooing the client's lashes and then investing in a very good glue. And below I will link all the links to all my products that I'm using. And because of my products and because of my glue, this is why I can lash as fast as I can. So I'm working a bit backwards here, but I forgot to show you guys the best method that I recommend for all beginner lash techs and even advanced lash techs use, and it's to ensure we're lashing efficiently. So you're going to see I've split my client's eyes into sections, leaving the inner corners until last. Now I've gone into a bit more depth into the method that I recommend to speed up your lash creation on my TikTok. If you guys follow me, you've seen it there and you'll understand these sections. But briefly, just for my YouTube girlies and guys, so the aim here is to put 3 lash extensions in each section. We're aiming to pick up the same amount of lash extensions each time to create into a fan. We're trying to aim for an even coverage, which means that we're not going to have any sections thicker than the other right now. And we also want to aim to find those bottom lash extensions in the bottom layers and lash those first. So you can see me trying to isolate very well and pick out those bottom lashes. I purposely didn't cut out all the isolation parts of this video because I wanted you guys to see in real time that even for me, someone who's been lashing for 8 years now, it still takes me quite a bit of time every now and then to find a good lash to lash. Isolation will never be, I would say, easy because it does vary depending on the client's lashes. As you can see, her lashes are straight, but there is a lot of overlapping, so I am having to isolate very well and it does take a bit longer. However, with practice you will get better at isolating and it does become easier. So okay guys, you can just sit back and just watch me apply all the ration volumes, and then I'm gonna start talking again when we start doing the next bit. You guys will also see me, like I'm doing here, using my pinky to help me pull back her eyelid ever so slightly. That really helps me as well with isolating. You can also use tape to help pull back her eyelid, so just completely up to you how you do it. However, always make sure that the eyes are still closed, even if you use tape to pull back their eyelid. Just because if their eyes are open during the process, this is how your clients will end up with red eyes. And red eyes are not cute, especially if you're trying to take pictures straight after of your sets. So just double check that every single time. Okay, so at this stage, I'm really happy with the set. It's an even spread of lashes, as you can see. Nothing's really overlapping. Now it's time to add in our classic extensions. So here I'm just writing out the classic extensions map. And as you can see, I've gone up by 2 millimeters from the base. I've done this to make sure we can see the wispy classics. And this is what is going to give us that wispy effect that we really, really want. I'm using the classic extensions decal in a thickness of 0.15. And this combined with longer lengths compared to the base makes the perfect combination for your hybrid wispy sets. And hybrid in the sense that we have both Russian volume fans and classic extensions in the set. Wispy in reference to the variation of different lengths throughout the set. And this is what makes our wispy hybrid sets. Now at this stage, as you can see, before we did the Russian volume, we did the full even coverage. With the classic extensions, literally all you're going to do is apply a classic extension on all the lashes that are left over. So every single natural lash that you see that is free, you're going to now add the classic extensions to it, aiming for 100% coverage of lashes. So I kept applying the classic extensions until I had literally had no more natural lashes to lash, and that was it. Completely done. With this part of the set, applying the classic extensions, you don't really have to check the mirror as much, so you can just get into the groove of applying the lashes, and this is what helped speed me up. Then I took off the eye pads, the best part of the appointment, so my clients tell me, turn off the lights so you don't blind them, dry off their eyes and let them see. In the final part of the appointment, take those pictures, guys. Get the photos, get the video, because if you don't, you'll regret it later. And these are the finished results. They are beautiful, wispy, delicate, and my client was so happy with them. Hi guys, so my client literally has just left and I've just tidied the room, but that is basically how I would create my most popular hybrid wispy set. And as you can see, it's really nice, it's full, it's delicate with the wispy bits. The wisps aren't as thick as what I would create in my Russian volume wispy set, where I would create more of a spike effect. With this hybrid wispy set, the wispy parts are the classic extensions, and that's what gives it the wisp. So yeah guys, I hope that helped. I hope that was really informative. All the products that I use today, just follow the link in my bio below and you will see the link to that. I use all of our products because I can lash so quickly with my products. They are so easy and seamless to use, and I do recommend investing in products that work with you and not against you as a lash tech, especially if you want to be able to do more than 3 people in a day. You'll need products that are gonna help make this job easier. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Look out for my other videos that will be coming very soon, and if you do want to be the first one to know when they come out, please like and subscribe. Bye guys.